everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a bird project. For that I took a thermopole and wrapped it with a white sheet. Then I painted the border of the thermopole. Then I chose 5 birds from Africa and I chose a background of each bird, and when you open and I wrote the description according to the specific bird. This is a pied crow. This was the kingfisher, and I chose the background like the kingfisher because it likes eating fish. And then this is a fish eagle. It's on a perch. This is a marabou stork. It's normally on grassy. And this is a marabou stork. This is a house sparrow, and I've made its nest on a house roof because a house sparrow makes its nest anywhere. Now I've already showed you all the birds, and in this way I'm going to stick them all on the thermopole. Now you can see how I've pasted all of these birds and their flaps. And you can open the flaps to get a description of the bird. And you can also close the flaps without taking the bird out. I'm sure you liked this video and you'll try to make it if you get any birds project. Thank you. Bye.